I made a big old pot of soup today. I don't know what you want to call it, but it was vegetable chicken rice soup. I guess that's what we'll call it. And this is what I have left. 3 bowls are missing in action. And in this soup are my collard greens from the garden and my green beans and some thyme that I grew. But what else is in here are carrots and celery, onions. I don't remember. You know, the spices, pepper, fermented garlic, onion powder. What else did I put in here? I don't know. But it is so delicious. Even my granddaughter liked it. Can you believe that? Anywho, this purple bowl here is for my brother Jeffrey. And then I'm going to eat a bowl tomorrow and I'm going to freeze the rest of this. Yes, delicious. Delicious.